Hey everyone, this is Ralph from IMS 3D. I'm here to show you another Lightburn tip. This is a cool little feature Lightburn has. It has to do with finger joints. Let's say you made something at finger joints, and it was for 3mm, but you decided you want it for 4mm, 5mm, 6mm. There's a quick and easy way to do it. I'm going to give you a quick little view on how this is done. First thing I'm going to do is go to my art library, bring in something with finger joints. So this one. And I'm just going to move the stuff apart so you can see. All right, starting with this one with the joints, we'll come over here and we'll measure. This one's at 3.81. And if you don't see where that is, if you just highlight it there, it's right here. So it shows me that's 3.81. What we'll do is we'll click on the item, go to Tools, Resize Slots. And we know the old material is 3.81. So anything with a 3.81 will appear. And we could either go slot depth or tab height. This one we're doing tabs because it's the output. You can see the arrows are pointing the way it's going to move. And let's say we want to make it 6mm. Just hit OK. We'll grab our measure tool. We'll measure it, and you can see it's 6mm. We can come over here to the next piece. Highlight it. Go to Tools. Resize Slot. You know it's 3.81. This one we're going to bring the joints in to 6mm. That's simple. We got this one that we didn't adjust. We'll come over here. We'll go to Tools. Resize. 3.81. We're going to move over to tab height. And there we go. Very simple, very quick tool. It's a really cool integrated feature on Lightburn. I love that they have that. It makes it easy for me to go in here and change all my sizes at a decent rate. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.